Want to look at the adjustment process in the money market, where we draw our vertical money supply curve because money supply is controlled by the central bank, and we have a downward sloping money demand curve as the interest rate is the opportunity cost of holding money. So there exists an inverse relationship between interest rate and money demand. Now, money market equilibrium occurs when money demand is equal to money supply, and it's interest rate that adjusts to correct any money market disequilibrium, be it an excess supply of money or an excess demand of money. So let's first focus on excess supply of money. Now, when we have an excess supply of money, there's excess cash with money holders, so they're going to use that excess cash in order to buy bonds. So the demand for bonds is going to increase, which is basically going to cause a rightward shift in the demand curve for bonds in the bonds market, and thus the price of bonds increases. Now, price of bonds and interest rates are inversely related to each other. So as price of bonds increases, interest rate on bonds is going to decrease. And this is going to cause an increase in the quantity demanded of money, since we've already established that money demand and interest rates are inversely related to each other. So the quantity demanded of money is going to increase until money demand is equal to the unchanged money supply. Now, if we move on to what happens if we have an excess amount of money. So in this case, money holders want more cash than they have. So they're going to sell the bonds that they have, which is going to increase the supply of bonds. Thus, the supply curve for bonds shift towards the right in the bonds market, which is going to cause a decrease in the price of bonds. As a result of which, interest rates on bonds are going to increase as price of bonds and interest rates are inversely related to each other. And as interest rate increases, so we know quantity demanded of money is going to decrease since interest rates and money demand are also inversely related to each other. So now quantity quantity demanded for money is going to decrease until money demand is equal to unchanged money supply again. So that we're back at money market equilibrium where money demand is equal to money supply.